My favorite kind of chicken soup. This is amazing. I'll begin by removing all this white fat on my chicken. I just want to make it a little cleaner, and then I'm going to apply a dash of salt on both sides. And then some turmeric. And then pat. Pat as much. Awesome, that's good. For the aromatics, I will need ginger, just wash it and not even bother to peel it off and set it aside. 5 cloves of garlic, a few sticks of spring onion, just slice this into half, and then peppers and in a medium heated high pan, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and add my chicken. I'll leave it to brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that golden color. I will add in chicken stock, 2 cups. You can add water too. And in goes all my aromatics. I will then cover this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, the smell in this house is amazing. Let's get the chicken out of the cooking pot. And all the chunks of ginger and garlic. And the spring onion. In 1/4 cup of water, I will add 2 spoons of cornstarch and whisk this real quick. I will add it to my soup. This is just meant to thicken it. You want it to have a nice texture. You know, on a cold day like this, who doesn't like to take some soup? I'll shred the chicken and add it back. And stir this. I will break 2 eggs and whisk them. And gently pour the eggs into my soup. Whoa. And then keep stirring this. Whoa, look at this. I'm gonna taste the soup to see if I need to add more salt. Wow, this is perfect. This is amazing. Then we'll garnish the soup with some more spring onions. Wow, it's garlicky. The ginger, you can taste it. It's so amazing. You wanna try this at home. Bon appetit.